In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate your Riverside County Library System account to view and manage requested items. Please note that this tutorial will show you how to view and manage holds placed on physical items from the library. Holds for eMedia titles should be managed through Overdrive or the Libby App, cloudLibrary, Enki, or RB Digital. If you're looking for information on how to search the RCLS catalog, place a request on an item, or view and renew items currently checked out, please see our previous videos in this series. Start by visiting www.rivlib.net and select My Account from the navigation bar on the top of the page. To log in, you will need your Riverside County Library System library card number or username and 4-digit PIN, which is usually the last 4 digits of your phone number attached to the account. Don't have a library card? Visit our website to apply for an e-card. Once logged in, you will be able to view your record and information, items currently checked out on your account, requested items, any fines and fees, saved searches, and more. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a sidebar labeled My Account and your name. About midway down, you will see a link called Requests. Select the Requests link and you will see your list of item requests. The items that are already waiting for you will appear on the top of the holds list. They will have a status of held. These can be picked up at the library branch indicated under the Pickup Library column. You can cancel a hold online as long as the status is not held or shipped. To cancel a hold, select the checkbox to the left of the item or items you want to cancel. Then select Cancel Selected. A prompt will ask you to confirm. Click Submit to confirm or click Back if you don't want to proceed. After clicking Submit, you will be taken back to your holds list. If you look at the bottom of the list, you should see your canceled item. If you don't want an item right away and it is not already held for you at the pickup branch or designated as shipped, you can suspend your hold and keep your place in line. This might be helpful if you're going on vacation. From your requests list, select the checkbox to the left of the item you want to suspend, then scroll to the bottom of your list to select Suspend Reactivate. You will be prompted to input the date you want to reactivate your hold. Enter the new date and select Submit. Select OK to confirm, and you will see that now the selected item is listed as inactive. To modify the activation date, repeat the process and choose a new date. You can also change pickup location for an active or inactive request or a shipped or held item. Select the item you wish to change, then select Change Pickup Location. Choose a new location from the drop-down menu and select Submit. You will see a confirmation of the change. Select OK to return to your requests list. Please note if you change the pickup location on a shipped or held item, it may take longer for you to receive it because it would need to be rerouted mid-transit. You may see a hold position column. The numbers in the hold position column indicate your place on the waiting list compared to other patrons' requests for the same item. The library may have policies that override the hold position. An example would be when a branch will only allow for new books to go to its patrons first. We hope this video was helpful and that you feel more comfortable navigating your Riverside County Library System account to view and manage requests. Remember, holds for eMedia titles should be managed through the Overdrive or Libby App, cloudLibrary, Enki, or through RB Digital. If you have additional questions or need further help, visit the Riverside County Library System's website. There, you can use our free Ask a Librarian email service to submit your questions or chat with a support agent in real time using our live chat feature. You can also call your local branch during operating hours to speak with a staff member.